It is the end of July and good news is what we bring to you. I am Vigo and I'm here again to bring to you the latest update on the development of our iconic towers. I hope the summer has been good to you because over here we have been making great progress. And by the way, if you did subscribe to our portrait development, congratulations are on the way for you because your keys are coming closer to you by the month. How about we go ahead and see the progress we've made on the development of our 4 iconic towers, you know, the portrait, the cynosure, the autograph, and the Nexus towers. Come along. This is portrait of the iconic towers. We're currently on finishing works, tiling, kitchen installations, windows and nets installations, internal paintings, door installation, handrail are currently ongoing. We're also working on the ceiling installation, screening works, internal painting, and second fix installations such as the ACs and sanitary fittings. We're also working on the lobby and external works such as the fit out for the reception areas, interlocking works, and the garage spaces. We have completed the side elevations on D and the middle areas for manholes and interlocking. We have also dropped scaffolds on most of our elevations. Our 2 weeks look ahead is to close out on the 1st to 10th floor, install all fittings, install all second fix works, and prim for internal painting. We also plan to complete the second coat painting works for the external walls and second coat for internal works. For external works, we plan to complete the MEP works and to separate block 2 from the construction areas. We also plan to close out on the interlocking works for the external areas. We also plan to drop scaffolds for the side areas facing block B and C to allow for the manholes and interlocking and continue snagging of the apartments. At Autograph, we're currently on 11th floor slab works. The acro props and marine boards, rebars, and prefab brick works are ongoing on site. We are also working on the block works for the first and second floors concurrently. Block works are also ongoing for the staircase area. Our 2 weeks look ahead is to complete the 11th floor columns and lift shaft. We also plan to finish up the block works on the 1st floor. At cynosure, we are currently on the 11th floor slab for Tower E. We are also in the 6th floor block setting works and lintels. We have commenced plastering at the 1st floors. For Tower F, we're currently on the 9th floor columns and lift shaft. We're also preparing for 10th floor slab. Block settings on the 5th are ongoing with staircase formworks and MEP first fix. Our 2 weeks look ahead at E is to begin the 11th floor columns and lift shaft casting, to close out on the block work and lintels on the 6th floor, to complete MEP first fix on the 5th floor, and to complete plastering works on the 1st and 2nd floors. At Tower F, we plan to cast the 10th floor slab, close out on the MEP first fix works for 5th floor and commence the block works at 6th floor on the nexus of the iconic towers. For the right hand side, we're currently on the 9th floor beams and slab formwork and it is ready for casting this week. We're currently on the 5th floor for block works and there's also ongoing lintel works on the 4th floor. There's ongoing conduit work on the 2nd floor. For the left hand side, we're currently on the 10th floor slab formwork. There's also ongoing formwork for the 9th floor columns and lift wall. We're currently setting out for block works on the 6th floor and ongoing block works on the 5th floor slab and lintel works on the 4th floor slab. Ongoing MEP works on the 1st floor slab. There's also ongoing plaster works in the sample apartment. 1 month look ahead. For the left hand side, we plan to be on the 11th floor formwork and 6th floor block work. We also plan to conclude on the MEP first fix on the first floor slab and plaster the sample 2-bedroom apartment. For the right hand side, we plan to be on the 10th floor columns and lift wall, and to mark out the 7th floor for block setting.
We continue to make progress and create value for you. Please do well to like, comment and share. Until next month. Bye.